Hi, Amy. This is my Oreo cookie review of your mini assignment number 3 with your 5 new technologies, and you did a great job. The first thing was you really got me thinking when you mentioned Google Maps, because I'm also a middle school teacher. I teach sixth grade math, and I hadn't really thought about it till I watched your video, but I could use Google Maps when the students learn about rate and unit rate. Just have them pick 2 points in Google Maps and figure out the distance between them, and then I can give them a rate and they can calculate the unit rate. So I thought that was really got me thinking. So it was a great thing to highlight. One thing was when you talked about Go Noodle, I think that is going to be a great tool, and I agree with you that even in middle school, I mean, they're still kids. I really like that you brought up that point. But in your video, I wish that you would have shown like an example from one on there because I'm still not exactly sure what they look like. It looked like they had kind of a cartoonish look to them, but I wasn't exactly sure what Go Noodle videos entail, so I'll have to go back and take a look at that. And finally, I really liked your idea of using Powtoon to go over class rules and your expectations. I've used Powtoon before, but I just never thought about using it for that. And the kids really do enjoy it with the cartoons and the graphics. So I thought that was a great idea in use of that technology. So great job. Thanks.